Good morning, students. As you know, myself Anupam Sharma, and today we will start your chapter number 4 because chapter number 3 is completed by me in my last videos. So today's date is 29th and day is Wednesday. And this video for the class 6, so we computer chapter number 4, and which name is tables in word 116. Tables in word 116. The name of the chapter. This is the name of chapter, word 116. So in the last chapter I told you about the Photoshop, making the photo pictures, editing photo pictures. So definitely that was interesting. And right now, chapter number 4, tables in word 116. It is also interesting, and this is necessary for your doing work, some work in a word. So I am already told you, computer always helpful to the all persons. So right now we start table. Tables. A table consists of row and column. Table in the Excel made by row and column. Rows and column made a table. These are columns and these are rows. Okay, so this is a table. A table consists of rows and columns. The vertical division of a table is called a column. Vertical division. Column. These are column. And horizontal division is called the row. Horizontal. The intersection of row and column is called the cell. The intersection of row and column. Suppose that this is a cell. The intersection of rows and column called a cell. The same intersection rows and column make a cell. Intersection rows and column. Intersection rows and column. Okay, cell made by the intersection of rows and column. Every cell of a table usually contains data. Every cell contains data. If you want to enter data in the table, so by the help of cell, you will enter the data. This is not thing that only one cell, this cell, this cell. Any cell, you want to enter any data, you have to take help of cell. Maybe this cell, maybe this cell, maybe this cell, maybe all cells, all cells full by the data. So tables are very important entities in a document. Table can represent various forms of data like subject versus marks, subject versus classes, subject versus teacher, team versus score, and many much tabulations. It is important to tell that tables are available in PowerPoint. Tables are available in PowerPoint as well as in Excel also. You will find plenty of uses of table in your life. Definitely right. Table role in your life. So many times you want to go to the market and make a table, product table, product price, quantity, so many types of table. So now, how to insert a table? How to insert a table? Insertions of table. Insertion of table. In the Word document is we have three methods of insert a table. So first is method using table grid method first. Using table grid. Means insertion of table by the first method. How to insert a table by the help of table grid. So first step that keep the insertion pointer where you want to table to insert it. Keep the insertion pointer. Keep the insertion pointer. Keep the insertion pointer where you want to where you want the table to be inserted. Inserted. Second, click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. Click on insert tab from tables group. Then table drop down. Click on the cell as per your choice. For dimensions of table, a table of chosen dimensions is inserted in the document. In this method, only maximum 10 into 8. 10 to 8 table can be inserted. For anything more, try the next option. So this is the first method, how to insert a table. So this is the figure on the figure 4.2 using the table grid of the insertion, and also figure 4.1. This is some kind of this column, these are cells, then you have to choose. Suppose I choose this particular part. Then these cells automatically show like a red color. Okay. Choose these one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells. Choose the different rows. So as you choose the 3 row, 1, 2, 3, then and 3 column, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So look like a different color. Rest of all colors look like the black color. These are the 9 cells. The 3 column look like a red color. So this is our method number first and right. And now I will tell you method number second, using insert table. 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 So by this method, keep the insertion point where you want to table to insert it. Keep the insertion point first. Keep the point. Keep the insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Table A. All as in your book. Don't worry. Second part. Click on insert tab. After this first option, you have to click on the insert tab. And then click table group, then go to the table drop down. So click on insert. Click on insert tab and table group. Table drop down. Drop down. Click on insert table. Click on insert table option. Click on table insert table option. The insert table dialog box appear. The insert table dialog box appears as shown in figure 4.3. As figure in your book. Enter the number of rows and column you want to table. Enter the number and column. of rows and columns. Enter the number and rows and columns you want to the table. 2 rows, 2 column, 2 rows, 3 column, and you want to the 5 rows, 4 column. As you want, and you have to write the number. Press OK. A table dimension entered in the inserted the document. And then press OK. Then press OK. This method is usually used. The previous method failed, and for somewhat larger table. This method for the larger. This method for the larger table. So here figure 4.3 insert table dialog box and figure 4.4 table inserted. You can look. You can see. See the figure 4.3 insert table dialog box. Number of column, number of rows, fixed column width, auto. You can change the dimension of the table dimension here, and this is the area of the 2 rows and 5 column. Then 2 rows and 5 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the figure 4.4. And now method number 3, using draw table. Using draw table. Okay, so this is the third. Sorry, first. Oh, this is the third. Second, third. And using insert table, that was second method. Using draw table is the third method. Using insert second, and using draw table the third method. So my dear student, in this method, click on insert tab. Say click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. Table group. Insert tab, table group, table drop down, table drop down. Click on draw table option. Click on draw table. Click on draw table. Second, the mouse pointer changes to pencil shape. The mouse pointer changes to pencil shape. Drag it on the document to draw table. The draw table rows and columns by dragging the pen shape pointer. A table with rows and columns as drawn by you will be available on the document. Okay, now A draw table, simple. By the mouse pointer, draw. Mouse pointer square, draw. Same. You have to stretch. Again, draw. And step downward. Make so many rows. And stretch here is the main points. And now entering data. Entering data. Enter data into table. Table has complete, table has made, and after making the table, how to enter data. Put the insertion pointer inside any cell of the table using mouse. As I told you before some time. The table you make entry. First of all, you have to enter the cell. But in any cell, not a this cell, this cell. You can start your work. Then cell for the entry data. So any cell of table using the mouse, start entering data by the keyboard to insert data inside a cell. To insert data inside a cell. Insertion pointer has to present inside the cell. Insertion point already present the blinking. Insertion point is a blinking point. Blinking point. So this is the figure 4.5 data entering into table. When you have hover the mouse over the table about half a second, two handles show up on the table. Two handles show up in the table. This corner. Table in the top of the left side. Top of the left side. Top of the left side. The table move handle show up and bottom right. Table right resize handle show up. Table resize. Table move handle. Table move handle. This is the table move handle and the table resize handle. And this is table resize handle. This is table resize handle. And now we will discuss after it moving a table. Moving a table. Moving a table. To move the table, follow the given step. Click on the table. Click on the table. Make a table and click on the table. You will then notice a plus sign at the left hand top corner, that is a table move handle. Table move handle. Left side. Table move handle. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle and drag table to where you want. By pressing the left mouse button. Release the mouse button if table is placed on that place. Release the mouse button and you can release the table where you want. So this is the option. This is the figure 4.7, a table to be moved. Next, table being moved to a new position, figure 4.7 moving a table, the 4.7b. And next option is resizing a table. And after resizing, changing look and feel of table. So, you will start resizing a table. Resizing a table. Okay, resizing a table. Following, I will tell you some steps. Click on the table. Simple click on the table. Click on the table. Table become not. Click on the table. Click on the table. Click on the table. You will notice a small square. At the right hand bottom corner of the table. Bottom of the table. This small square is known as a resize handle. This is called the resize handle. The resize handle. Move the mouse pointer on the table resize handle, and you will see a double-handed arrow. On it. Drag the table to the desired size by pressing the left mouse button. Release the mouse button when you get the desired size. It's depend on you what you want the size. So is a figure 4.8 table size. And next the changing look and feel of table. Changing look and feel the table. Changing look and feel to table. Changing look and feel to table. When a table is inserted into the document, two new tabs open up in the ribbon. Two new options open the ribbon. Ribbon is the upper portion of the sheet. These are designing and layout. Design and layout. Design and layout. Design and layout. Both contain useful commands. Both contain useful commands for changing look and feel of table. Design tab comes in handy. The two tabs come under table tools. So in the figure 4.9, design tab and its command. Design commands means there are so many types of design of table. Follow this. Keep the mouse focus on the table. Second, click the design tab. Click the table style group. Table style drop down. Select the table style. your choice by style chosen applied to the table. So this is a figure on the 4.10 table style applied. So complete your changing look and feel of table. Okay, my student, my next video will describe you modifying table. Bye.